Hey, it's Preacher Tom Anderson, Streets of America Homeless Outreach on-spot video, and we are just getting back from getting groceries over there at Walmart, and so we are fixing to go ahead and get things cooking and let you know what's going on. Today we're going to go out and feed who's ever at the waterfront. So I'm going to be cooking up some shrimp gravy. I'm going to put it on rice. And we're going to do some, I guess we'll do some green beans along with some sweet Hawaiian rolls. And we got a couple ladies of the church that are coming out today, and they're going to be bringing some dessert, a peach cobbler, and something else they said. I can't remember what it was. But we're going to be getting that up, served out. And so anyways, let's get to cooking. Hey, we are getting the bacon cooked up. We're going to start getting this. So we need the fat out of the bacon. What we can do is we'll get that fat, and let's turn this burner down a little bit. All right. We're going to let that bacon cook. We're going to let it cook. I'm going to get these bell peppers and onions chopped up real quick. And once that bacon is cooked down and I've got the grease, I'll go ahead and start working on them. And in the meantime, I've got a lot of other stuff I got to get ready. So I'm fixing to chop up some stuff. We're getting her done. We're going to let that cook down. I'm going to cut up some onions, drop some onions in there, and we get the onions, and we got the bell peppers, and we're going to cook that down. and that should be enough grease. And I'll get the onions, get that all cooked down, and we'll get that squared away. So, anyways, come on, we got more stuff to do. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good stuff. That's gonna be some good stuff. All right, let's take a look at this and see what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. See that bacon in there? Got the bacon in there. See the bell peppers? Oh yeah, no shrimp in there yet. You don't put the shrimp in there, it'll be too chewy. So you cook the shrimp last. Shrimp don't take but a couple minutes to cook, and they're done. So that'll be the last thing we put in here, is the shrimp. And we'll do that when we're ready to pull out. But look at that. It's got the bacon. It's got bell peppers in it. Oop. Getting a little fogged up. But don't want it to be froggy. So this is some good stuff here. I got a few seasonings in it. I put some Old Bay seasoning in there. Didn't put much, but put some in there. That'll go good. Bring out that flavor in that shrimp. And got the onions and the bell peppers and the. You can tell I'm Southern there because I can't talk French. Anyways, we were getting this stuff together, and the rice, it's still working on it. I'm still working on the rice. Still working on the rice. Got the green beans in the warmers. The warmers are hooked up. So we got green beans in there. I'm gonna mix them up in just a minute. I've got a stick of butter in there. I'm letting the butter melt and letting the green beans warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna stir them up in that butter. And I'll put a little bit of nature seasoning in there with those green beans. That'll give it a really good flavor. And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get all that together. And in the meantime, I'm letting this still warm. It's on low heat. So I got it on low heat. And I think that's about all. That. The ladies are coming out with the dessert. And we'll see how things go today at the waterfront. Don't know who all's going to be there. I missed last week because it was raining. So you didn't get a video for last week because it was raining. Just letting you know ahead of time. If it's raining, I ain't going out. And we got a lot of acorns in the oak trees, which they say if you got a bunch of acorns in the oak trees, they say it's going to be a cold winter. So, I don't know. Maybe this winter we'll get some 70-degree weather. Of course, we might get snow again like we did last year. Let's finish cooking. We put some nature seasoning in there. You can put that too, but that's some good stuff. And so we got that going. Then we have the one over here. The one on the right will be the one that will be right with the shrimp. Be easy to remember because this is if you want it right, this is it right here. It'll be the one on the left. This will be the one that left out the shrimp. So this is shrimp left out. And this is shrimp done right. So there is no shrimp in here yet. We got some Hawaiian sweet rolls. Also these plates. And the little containers. If y'all want to donate some of those, be my guest. I get them from Santee. Okay, we got some shrimp. Now we've got these shrimp. They were frozen. Put them in here with some water. They're really super cold. You can't hold your hand in that water. You freeze your hand in that water. So these shrimp are nice and cold, really cold. I'm gonna let them thaw out, and it's 2:44. See, there's the clock. 2:44. So I've still got a little bit of time before we go out. We serve at 5 o'clock, and so that gives me an hour and a half. Well, almost an hour and 45 minutes, and before I have to leave to go. So I'm gonna let these sit out here and thaw out. So the shrimp will be fine. The shrimp are gonna sit here. I'm gonna let them sit in this super freezing cold water and let them thaw out, because they will thaw out slowly, and when they do, that'll be great, because when I put them in here in these warmers, it's gonna cool these warmers down. So I have to put this in before I leave, and let them warmers get warm back up, and let that shrimp get hot. So I know that within the time limit that I've got to get there and everything, them shrimp will be nice. They won't be chewy. Come on, y'all go with us. Now this is part one. The cooking is the part one. And, you see what we've done. We've got all that cooked, all that stuff cut up, and all that stuff done. Now, what we're going to do in the next video, part two, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the feeding out at the waterfront. We got the ladies bringing peach cobbler, and they're bringing something else. I have no idea. I think they said something about chocolate chip cookies or something they're making. So anyway, it's going to be good. So y'all come on and go with us. And this is Preacher Tom Anderson, Streets of America Homeless Outreach Ministry, on-spot video, and we are going to go and hit somebody.